I was recently reading the comments on one of my videos, a newly posted video, and someone asked to create a video on this very important topic. I listened to all of you, and here is that video. How to make small talk when you're in a professional setting. It's one thing to be prepared with a formal presentation, but how do you get into a meeting and start conversation with some of your important clients, your prospects, or senior leaders? My name is Jayne Latz, founder of Corporate Speech Solutions, where we work with organizations and individuals just like you to build your communication skills so you can always communicate with power, purpose, and impact. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways to develop your skill to making small talk in these meetings. This is such an important topic. We have worked with our clients on small talk for many years, but here it is for all of you. Tip number 1, prepare in advance. If you know that you're attending a meeting with people that you're not familiar with, research them. Go on LinkedIn or social media to get an idea of their company, their role, their interests, their hobbies, and then you can create some talking points so that you can start comfortable conversations with these individuals, no matter who they are. So do your research. Tip number 2, ask open-ended questions. Avoid closed-ended questions, like just talking at them. Instead, think about questions to keep the conversation flowing. For example, I'm in New York and we always have changing weather. A great small talk conversation is talking about the weather, what's coming, what's going, the snow, the heat. Weather is such a safe conversation. You could talk about a vacation. Maybe you just got back from a vacation and you want to share it. I just got back from such an exciting vacation. Where have you gone recently? A great book they're reading. Last week, I went to an in-person network event, something I have not done in a long time. And on our badges, when we walked in, it said to write down your favorite book or a show you're binging on TV. A great way to make small talk. And what was more interesting in that event is we all needed it to get the evening started. And then once we were all having a great networking event, no one was asking about the badge anymore. We were getting right into business conversations. But that's a great small talk generator. What's your favorite book? What are you binge watching? By asking these open-ended questions, you show a genuine interest in the other person. Tip number 3, and maybe the most important, is practice active listening. One of the most important skills in small talk is to actually listen. This means focusing your attention on what the person is saying, maintaining eye contact, and responding with relevant comments or follow-up questions. That really shows that you're listening. As hard as it is, avoid interrupting or talking over them when they're speaking. I know we all have a tendency to want to do that, but try not to. By actively listening, you can create a more meaningful connection and make small talk more enjoyable for everyone involved. So to recap those 3 tips on small talk. Number 1, prepare in advance. Number 2, ask open-ended questions. And 3, practice active listening. This video was created for you, my subscriber that recently asked the question. So please, if you haven't yet subscribed, do so. Read the description box to grab some great information. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.